In this video, we will discuss about how to build highly targeted prospects list for cold email outreach. So this is part 3 video, and I will told you how to build this list for your targeting prospects and for your targeting peoples, and to make more business for right people. So how to build a targeting prospect list for cold email outreach, emphasizing its critical role in the successful campaign. This video outline and theory behind finding right people, choose the best tool, and maintaining our data hygienically. A practical demonstration will follow in this next video. So first of all, we need to know about what is a targeting prospect list. This is list of people, our businesses that are good fit for your product or services. It's involve careful reach and ensure your remaining people who need to offering and find it relevant. Building each list take time and strategy, but scientifically improve response rate and overall success. So why is important? Told you targeting prospect list because it's impact highly response rate, better deliverability, save time, avoid spam traps. So first I told you a relevant isn't more like to engage, and the better deliverability, relevant content reduce the bounce rate and ensure email land in this box. 100 out of 60 to 70% chance to land our email inbox. So the third one is save time. Focus on a similar valuable group interested and blasting email 1,000 with no return. So more smartly targeting, it's effective than the 1,000 of email sending. So save time, think smart, and avoid spamming score. So the fourth one is avoid spamming traps. Targeting relevant people increase the risk of spamming complaints and hinting to domain registration and email deliverability. So the third is how to build targeting list. So first of all, define your ideal customer profile. So what is the ideal customer profile? This is create a detailed description of perfect customer. This is who customer who want to buy your services and it's need your services or product. So therefore is a right audience. So ask question to determine would benefit most from services. Consider her pain points, industries, job title, even income and hobbies. A strong ICP guide to finding a right people to contact. And step 2 is use tool to find this prospective. So in this case, paid tool and free tool both are working, and most of professionalism to buy the paid tool and start reach out. So paid tool buy data from tool like LinkedIn, Sale Navigator, Apollo.io, ZoomInfo, and Instantly.ai, and lot of platform to search on. You can search on Google. So free method is scraping a social media links, scrap email, scrap contacts from social media through on Instagram, Google Map. In the next video, I will demonstrate a dedicated video, the free method how to scrap these people. So third one is LinkedIn Sale Navigator, a powerful finding in professional and specific industries, job roles, pay attention and activity on platform. Apollo.io is a most powerful web-based database. It can a lot of people on Apollo.io. You can make easily prospective list, make filter. I will share dedicated video in this next part. So a lead generation platform, email address and direct contact information, all information available on Apollo data. ZoomInfo, same, a database website finding a verified email address and company websites. Other tool like Crunchbase, Clutch, Google Maps, Google Map, Scrapper, social media scrappers, and a lot of other tools you can find on internet. Organize your data. Structure your data for easily uploading, verification, and sending to utilizing metrics, name, company name, job title, email, LinkedIn profile, website. The tool is Google Sheet, Airtable, CRM like Hotspot. You can use Google Sheets and paste all data in sheet. Email. So fourth one is validated your data. Be validated email. As email verification is critical to avoid sending invalid, risky spam or trap emails. So step 4 is validated your data. You must be verify email for use to sending email. So email verification is critical. Warning sending invalid, risky or spam trap emails. This protect your availability and presenting landing in spam folders. A huge role of email validation because most of emails are not likely perform and it can create a bounce rate. It can increase your bounce rate and going to spam folder. So tool is for checking never bounce, zero bounce and million verifier and Reon. So I can recommend it. Reon is the best tool for verification. So step 5 is keep your list updated regularly. Clean your data, reviewing and removing outdated information. Add a new perspective and track your results. Create a folder to track with leads you already use and revisit previous list after several months, after some of days. You can again mail and check these people and check the mail if the people receive response. So people need to be changes and make one more email for reminding and it can build for credibility. So key top phase. A strong targeted list is foundation of successful email strategy and focus on the quality over quantity. Use the right tool and keep your list organized up to date. While volume important, quality leads are essential for relevant engagement. A next video will be demonstrated and build how to create your ICP list for your business with using both free and paid methods.